So in the past week, I decided to prep my car for the spring and summer. So, first of all, I took off my snowboard holders. Second, I put on my nice wheels. Probably not good lighting since it's dark outside, but they look nice. In today's video, we're gonna be fully cleaning this car because it is filthy. And it's honestly kind of embarrassing. So, time to go to the warehouse. So we are currently heading to Walmart because I need to buy glass cleaner because that's the one thing I'm missing. So, see you at Walmart. Oh, it never gets old. So there's really nothing much to explain. The car is dirty. Like, really dirty. For example, dirty, disgusting, ew. What the frick is this? Nope, no good. Not good, very bad, ew. So of course, the first step of cleaning your car is you have to remove everything that's inside. By the way, I've had these for a while now. They're called Angel Eyes or something like that. Basically, they go right here, inside here. So when I get my LEDs, we're gonna install these. Alright, so now that that's cleaned out, let's play a game of what was in Phil's car. So, I got a random scarf, my JBL earbuds, the charger for it, a bunch of coins, chapstick, this, a brush, this one's broken so it's useless, 2 fanny packs, I don't know what that is. Picks because I play guitar, phone magnet because I use a phone magnet, receipts, a case, Cologne, semi-cranial medicine, that's no more, and some Skin Relief moisturizer. Wow. By the way, here's a better lighting of my wheels. They just look amazing and they're kind of dirty. That's disgusting. All right, I need this, and Meguiar's interior cleaning. Perfect. Also, I'm gonna need this. Next step is to vacuum everything in your car. Here's a cool little tip. When you clean your seats, when you vacuum them, make sure to spread them apart because there's so much more trash in there. It's gonna get the most out of it. Now that all the back is clean and vacuumed up, time to move on to the front, probably the most dirtiest one. And I don't know about these stains though. Like, how do I get rid of those? Leave a comment. Not a good idea. All right, so usually I like to start from the doors in. So what I'm gonna use is gonna use a brush, a soft, it's not too hard of a bristle brush. I'm gonna use McGuire's interior cleaning. So if you notice there's a bunch of just dirt spots, and I'm just gonna scrub that all off. We're gonna transform this whole door, it's gonna look really nice. She is all clean. All right, I'm gonna go through quickly with the rest of the doors, just so I don't waste your time. All right, I'm gonna go through these pieces just real quickly. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So moving on towards the interior, there's just a bunch of dust onto here, so pretty self-explanatory. Spray this all down and wipe it all down. All right, so now we're gonna move to the center console. Now, I'm gonna be using this small brush, and what this really does is get inside all these buttons and gets all that excess dust out. So this is actually a very, very useful tool. So I highly advise you guys pick these up so you guys can just go through the buttons and everything, get all that extra waste out. So yeah, when you spray interior cleaner, make sure not to spray too much on the electronics. So next we're just gonna work on just the rest of all of this, clean out these cup holders, clean this out too, probably spray some leather spray, and yep. All right, next we're gonna work on the windows. So let's gonna start with the windshield. All right, so I got a bit carried away. I finished everything. So the car is now perfectly clean, all nice and black. Perfect. All around. Oh, Pokemon. But yeah, super clean. Really proud of myself. And that's all done. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. I know it wasn't the most interesting content, but we got the car clean, which is really good. But other than that, thank you for watching. Also want to thank you for 400 subscribers. That is awesome, phenomenal. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Please continue to watch my videos. I do appreciate it. That's all I have for today. So I'll see you in a week or two, maybe, if you get lucky. Peace. Oh wait, no, I forgot the intro. Quick fill out.